What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and also I'll take you over AMD, ARM, Broadcom, Micron. I did a video on SMCI already this morning, so I won't cover SMCI here. You can check that out on my channel, but you know what, anyways, I'll just go over real quick as well on that. So guys, in this video, let's take a look at what Nvidia is doing. As for the price action, we have earnings coming soon. If you have seen my morning video, I already talked about that. Also, if you have seen my weekend videos, I have already talked to you guys. Be prepared. Analysts are gonna start coming out now with upgrades one after the other. And we are already getting like HSBC reiterating that, oh, it's 50% gonna go up higher. And we have had one more analyst today actually upgrade. I covered Jeffries upgraded to $1,200 from 780. So all in all, and guys, just one after the other, it's going to happen. I talked about over the weekend as well. They're gonna come out. But hey, I'm gonna stick with the technicals for my trading and everything, and we'll do all of that in this video. And I'll also take you over the options data, how things are looking like on this. And guys, before going right into our video, if you are also interested following me along in this dividend investing journey that I'm starting on my channel, subscribe to this channel of mine. You can find the link in the description of this video as well, but you can even just search on the YouTube and you can subscribe to this channel if you want to follow along the journey of my dividend investing portfolios. All right, now we have what on Nvidia, guys, starting off here. Well, we are still holding the level of 883 and 887. Well, before that as well, I also want to show you real quick. Sorry guys, let's get a couple of smaller things out of the way first. It's not small thing though, day trading bot. So guys, today also we got a good profitable positions plays on this. Yeah, good moves, good profit, good money, net profitable still. You can see Nvidia was falling, but when the bot caught onto the buying confirmation, we got really good moves on Nvidia as well. To then looking fine, great, loving it. Again, I use this as for reference for my trading. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. They are for educational references. You can go and use them however you like. But you can see there are red days as well, guys. So there's no guarantee, but it just helps. We are still net profitable though on Nvidia, but it just helps in identifying, at least for me, referencing, okay, what type of moves I can take now day trading, right? But anyways, if you need access to all of my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and also Wall Street alerts. All right, let's go back to the daily interval and let's talk about the price action there first. So yes, I have been saying, if you have been following my videos, guys, Nvidia, as long as it maintains itself above 883 and 887, that's a strong support zone. And Nvidia has been confirming that day after the day after day. And most likely, guys, as you saw in the thumbnail of this video, breakout is most likely going to happen now. We are coming down over and over again at 887 and we are getting bought back up. So this breakouts are to the upside, flushes are to the downside. So breakout, I'm going to talk about that in just a second, but I'm just first setting the foundation here with you guys. So we are above 50 days, we are above 20 days moving average, right? And we are still in that ongoing uptrend. So looking at also today's candle, the wick that came, it's a strong buying pressure. And also let's go to the hourly interval. And I have been saying that to you guys, bulls have so much of room to play with, guys, so much room, right? Pivot on the trend line, right? We have 200 hours moving average. We have a pivot. Bulls just have so much control. As long as bulls are not losing 883, it has been bullish. Now, being on hourly interval, what is that momentum breakout to the upside, Junior Trader, that you're talking about? Now, that is, guys, this level of 906. If tomorrow we break out, we closed way close to that. If we break out above this, because this is where we have been having this sell-off for 5 days. But now we are finding support as well at this 887 and so forth. With this already pivot holding still. I talked about this pivot to you guys. Intraday we have made Nvidia bullish as well on this pivot. And this is still higher highs, higher lows. And we are closing very close to $906, which means Momentum is pushing it up and up and up, and 906 becomes a breakout zone because all these sells that are happening, all these stop losses are present over here, and then this breakout is usually going to result a explosive move to the upside, and that can bring Nvidia to 914. That's very decent, but not just 914. 922 is a possibility then. This can be tomorrow itself if Nvidia does a breakout above 906 on a good volume. Otherwise, we might have another choppy day if we lose 50 hours moving average. Not just 50 hours moving average, but let's go to the 5 minutes interval again. And there's this one area that I want to show you here. And that is this zone, guys, this level. Again, marked by my indicator as well, day trading levels plus 898. Once we lose this, you can see my day trading levels plus also part of my indicator. Once we sold off, we went to our next levels, right? We got bought back up, found a higher low at our day trading levels plus, went up all the way to our day trading levels plus, sold off all the way to our day trading levels plus. So that's why these levels are very important to trade with. Now, yes, so if tomorrow we lose 898, then I'm expecting downside cool off just on intraday, not swing bearish, just on intraday cool off. But if we break out above $906 range, guys, in the early first few minutes of market open, expect an explosive move to the upside. All right, that's a very likely possibility. All right, that's Nvidia, guys. Well, but let's go to the Nvidia's options as well now. So what I'm seeing is that the calls options have increased on the 950 and 920. Everything else have remained unchanged, even on the put side from the weekend data. For these are the options for this week expiration. So it seems like calls interests have increased at 920 and 950. And the way the things are looking like, those traders might make money. So yeah, looks like options traders are on the, at least for right now, things are looking in their direction, promising. All right, now let me take you over, guys, other stocks as well, other semiconductors. So let's take a look at AMD. So you are already aware about the short play that I opened on AMD. So I got another confirmation today that this 20 days moving average rejection is continuing, right? And I'm more comfortable keep holding on to this short position. And I have my stop loss regardless, but yeah, I'm targeting this level of 145, and you can see this has been working out great in my direction so far. So I'm loving this play, and yes, I expect this thing to continue to cool off. So if I take you to the hourly interval, the structure is already weak. You can see constantly rejecting a 200 hours moving average today. It tried to break out above it, but it couldn't. And you can see that struggle on the 5 minutes as well. You can see how it was struggling to break out, and this is where 200 hours moving average is, right on the hourly interval, right over here. And then we just plummeted, and yes, I expect AMD to continue lower. But yeah, I'm already in the play, so I'll keep providing updates as things evolves, right? All right, let's take a look at ARM. So ARM has been going up, and as I have said about it in my previous videos on ARM, that guys, if we can hold this trend, this channel bottom, get above 20 days moving average, you can expect the next channel up here, upside of that channel. We got that. Now what? This is at the precipice of changing the structure and the way the candle is looking like. ARM is full on bullish right now. If any sell-off happens into this mid of the channel, that is just a pullback on this. And as we get out of this blue box over here from the previous resistance zone, this thing can again climb up to 135. So things have worked out just as how we planned and predicted. So that's looking awesome. So yeah, this was the flush we targeted. I provided an update all the way down here. When structure started to change around, I talked about it, guys, pivots are forming, right? And which formed this channel. And I said all this stuff, right? Regardless, guys, even if you took, let's say you said, oh, junior trader, I didn't see your video here. Junior trader, I didn't see that video here. Guys, doesn't matter. You still have to have your stop loss. So let's say you didn't, you were like trying to short into it and you were not seeing my videos and you didn't know the pivot, then guys, well, intraday shorts, yes, they were intraday shorts here as well. We talked about this situation, but I said also, here's a pivot. But let's say you said that, oh, junior trader doesn't know anything, this is not a pivot. You went like in the next right candle, you said, oh, junior trader, you just don't know anything, things gonna fall, this is not a pivot. And let's say you entered short and things started to go up against, well, no problem, guys. And trading is not about, oh, it's not about, it's not about blaming, it's not about finger pointing, it's nothing like that. And I'm not finger pointing on anyone. I'm not saying that, oh, you didn't do this way. No, no. What we have to do is learn the principles and disciplines of trading. Whatever you are taking positions, that's up to you. I'm not here to tell you what you have to do, but let's say if you took, on your own any wrong position, whatever, you have to have a stop loss, guys. You have to do your risk management, and things goes other way. You hit your stop loss, you're fine, out of the play. That's it. You then play where the direction and the structure is, right? So it's all about that. Don't be too hard, okay, on yourself or anyone. Just stick to the principles, the rules of trading. And if you have been seeing my videos, guys, you already know all of this by now. So yeah, ARM is looking strong. Broadcom, oh wow, this thing is not looking to just give up, right? Now the interesting thing is that on hourly interval, this thing has gotten out of this trend line. So let's go to the 4 hours actually. This is the pivotal point, guys. If we don't, here's the thing. If now we don't go lower, I would say wait for 200 hours moving average for any short play on this. Otherwise, yeah, let it run whatever it's doing here, because it's been bullish already. We have been forming this higher highs, higher lows on intraday, and yeah, it's bullish even if any pullback to 20 hours moving average, if it holds, yeah, it's still bullish. And yeah, this trend line is a pivotal point for sure. And if we lose 200 hours moving average now, well, sorry guys, I'm on 4 hours, but I showed you the structure. But let's go to the hourly interval. That's, yeah, here we are. So it's at the time where if we lose this trend line or we stay below 1,337, intraday shorts may come down to the level of 1,320. But 200-hour moving average is coming as a support, and if we break out of this trend line, it's going to go up. If you want to trade a little bit strong confirmed short for swing, you have to wait on Broadcom to break it below 200 hours moving average. Otherwise, no. Intraday short, yeah, you can play as long as structure is breaking, levels are breaking. But otherwise, if we hold the pivots and we get above the next level, then it can go up to the next level. So that's Broadcom. Real quick, let's take a look at Micron here. So I'm going to the daily interval. All right, Micron is full on bullish structure, guys, and I have been saying this, and that's why I also covered my short position just from this time when I started to see the structure changing, pivots forming. I was like, whatever position, I already took out partial profits through the journey, but whatever was left, I took out all over here. And I have been saying structure is bullish. It has been going up, and yeah. So this is where, as long as we are above 121 on this is still a bullish structure. I'm not seeing any downside on this until then. So that's that. All right, guys, the video has gotten very long. SMCI, I'm already in the short play, in the money already. If you want to know more about it, check my video out on my channel. Just go to my channel and search SMCI. The very first video you will, well, just search SMCI, or you will see in the series of videos in the sequence order already. I did one SMCI this morning as well. Check that video out on my channel, guys. This video has gotten too long. Anyways, this is it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care. Bye.